Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add an image on Evernote. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Evernote app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can access all your notes and features. Now, in the left panel of your screen, click on Notes. This section displays all your created notes and gives you quick access to manage them. From here, you have two options. You can either create a brand new note if you want to start fresh, or you can select an existing note where you'd like to add your image. This flexibility allows you to insert images wherever they're needed, whether in a project plan, meeting notes, or personal journal entries. Once you've opened the note you want to work with, click anywhere in the note where you'd like to upload the image. This action will open up a toolbar at the top of your screen, giving you access to various formatting and insertion options. This toolbar is your gateway to adding all kinds of content to your notes, not just images. Next, in the upper left corner of this toolbar, locate and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear with several options for different types of content you can add. Scroll down through this menu until you find the image option, then click on it. This tells Evernote that you want to add a visual element to your note, and it's a straightforward way to enhance your content with pictures, screenshots, or diagrams. After clicking Image, a file browser window will pop up on your screen. This allows you to navigate through your computer files and folders to find the image you want to insert. Browse through your directories until you locate the image file you need. Once you've found it, click on the file to select it, and then click the Open button. Evernote will now upload and insert that image directly into your note at the position you selected earlier. Give it a moment to process and display the image in your note. Now, if you want to resize the image to better fit your note's layout or make it more visually balanced, simply click on the image itself. When you do this, you'll notice small handles or corners appear around the edges of the image. Click and drag any of these corners to resize the image to your preferred dimensions. This feature gives you complete control over how your image appears within your note, ensuring it looks exactly how you want it. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized an image in your Evernote note, making your content more engaging and visually organized. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.